Hello, fellow modelers. Jeez, I can't stop stuttering. Today's video is just a unboxing of the of Dragon's 70-second scale sturmpanzer 4 kit. Brummbar. Late production. They do not. I don't believe they have a late production set in 70-second. All right, yeah. So this is what comes with the kit. I've had this kit once before, but I'll just say things didn't go over too well with the first one. So yeah, I got this one again. It's for very skilled modelers, by the way, so if you are an intermediate modeler or a clumsy kid like me, then I do not suggest getting this kit. First you have, or whatever you want to call this, the turret part, and then the bathtub style hull. Then you have all the front parts of the wheels, your brass, decals, and magic tracks. Alright, here we have all the wheel stuff. It's bit simple. I'll go over this in better detail later. Here's the rest of the pieces, and here's the instructions. Let me show you them in a sec. Alright, so the instructions are quite cool. They're not in full color, but they are. This part is in color, which I really like. So, here's parts tree A. I call them parts trees. I think they're sprues. I'm not sure. Parts tree A. Got those pieces, mostly for the side skirts. Well, all for the side skirts. Then we have the main parts tree. Oh wait, no, these are all hooked up together. I didn't realize. So yeah, you've got this area up here. I'm going to try and go over as slow as possible. So feel free to pause the video at any random time to see any part. It's because I know what you guys are looking for when you see instructions of a model. There's the other side. Here we have parts B. I showed you that earlier. Parts E, mostly for the chassis, or the wheels, sorry. I really can't hold my phone still because yeah, my hand hurts. Merry Christmas, by the way. I haven't said that. Sorry, yeah. Jeez, this thing does not want to focus today. Focus. Literally had to tap the thing with my nose. There we go. Parts E. This is the road wheels, and these are the return rollers. There's two of these, by the way. And there's these 20 parts right there. Front of the wheels. I don't see why that's necessary, but okay. Alright, as you open up the instructions, you get straight into the building of the chassis and all that, all the wheel section. There you go. Got the wheels. These instructions are very familiar to me. Next, you flip on to step 3. By the way, make sure you read this fully and understand it fully, because there are a lot of multi-steps that you may not understand, so certain parts of the side skirts, and then there's this part. Yeah, feel free to pause it at any time, because I may be going too fast for you, and I am going too fast for you, so yeah. And here's the next page. God, I can't stop my hand from shaking. And here's the final product with the side skirts. My plan is not to use the side skirts because this is based on a cartoon character that I have. So, yeah, I will do a full review of the model once it's done. But yeah, let's open the bags. Alright, here we've got Sprue A, part 1. I'll show you all the pieces. It's quite a crazy layout, and some of the stuff is kind of like a little too crazy in not detail, but like assembling and all that stuff, because like it's a little too complicated in my opinion. Even the 35th scale models by Tamiya, they're not even that complicated, and those models are fairly easy, not too easy, but not too hard either. So Dragon kits are definitely another story. I don't like them too much, but they're very realistic, and that's what I do like about them. That's why I got this Brummbar. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Remember, on my channel, no question is stupid, other than if it's, are you going to shave your unibrow? I will not shave it. Alright, so here's the other one. There's two of them, actually, 2 duplicates. Oh, I know they're not duplicates, actually. This is what that looks like. And here's the other one. I don't know how the heck they expect you to put on those hooks to the tank, but I'll try and put them on. I'm not sure if I'll be able to, though. Finally, all the parts from the wheels, just the road wheels. That's how to break stuff really easily. There's 2 of them, not much to see here. More road wheel stuff. Here's the chassis parts. Really not too much to pay attention to. Finally, there's the return rollers. Not too much. Alright, so that's the kit. I hope I really have a fun time building it, and be sure to watch my review when I am done building it, so I can give you my personal opinion on it. And by the way, I am in fact using an airbrush, and me being the 13-year-old idiot I am, I really don't know how this is going to go over well. I have had experience with airbrushes before. I have painted a 35th scale, like 3 35th scale tanks before, so shouldn't go over too bad. But yeah. Also, be sure to watch my Panzer III guide, well, not guide, but unboxing as well, because this is the only 72nd scale video out there, so, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Remember, ask your questions. Whichever one you want, I will answer them as soon as possible. See you guys later.